There's no earthly way of knowing. The oxygen just keeps on flowing, and the eyeballs keep on rowing, and they show no signs of slowing.
Oh, Chloe, make it stop!
Okay, we're here.
Hi, and some potatoes for eyes.
MICACH, look at me. What are you fixing? MICACH.
We had one left, so we saved it for you.
MICACH, do you have your 2 belts on? What do you put here? A screwdriver? A screw? Can we see what else you have? Is this your radio? There's your hammer, your screwdriver. See what else you have. Your screws, your 2 belt, you have a screwdriver, and you have your pliers. You got everything to fix it. Did you get it in there, or do you need help? You gotta push.
I'm tight.
You want it tighter? You gotta take it off, like this. Can you put all your screws back in your screwdriver belt? No. You taking everything off your belt? Why? What happened if you have a job to fix it?
Hard hat, check.
You don't have a hard hat though. What do you got? You got the screwdriver. Put another screwdriver. Put this in here for that. Build things like this. Got your saw. This is our pouch for your screws. Your radio. In case somebody calls you.
Check. 2 belt, check. Hard hat, check.
Your hammer.
Thanks for your help. You make a great apprentice.
See? That's the 2 belt.
Boots, check. 2 belt, check. Hard hat, check.
You get the drill. Here's his 2 box.
Thanks for your help. You make a great apprentice.
Other screws. Here's the other thing. The drill bit.
Check.
MICACH wants to control it.
Hard hat, check.
Okay, you control it. Hey, point it down here. Record me. Put your hand out of there. There. Now look at there. You see me on there? See? Take this off.
Thanks for your help. You make
You recording me?
apprentice.
You see me on it? Okay, don't go too close. Stay right there. Stay far away. See? Take that off. Take these. Then you gotta take something off here. See? You take one of these.
Oh. Okay.
Are you gonna go record? Santa? You're a little close to Santa. Okay, let me see the camera.